Hello. So this is a completely new site in Mount Karatag in Russia. A young nature lover was just casually wandering over there, and then he started noticing that the stones have suspiciously regular shapes. Well, more about the possible discovery of new absolutely gigantic megalithic site you can see in my video. This is the link. You can find the link on the page of this megalith on my website megaliths.org. It is absolutely free to watch it. I'm not uploading it on YouTube, and in the future there will be many videos that I will upload only here, not on YouTube, because this is, well, how to say, a bit more human friendly platform for sharing videos. So this is very recent, actually, just a couple of months old, and there are many other such extremely interesting sites, thousands of them. I cannot make videos for all of them, that's why I'm submitting them gradually here on the website. And I hope you will be helping me. Please submit few sites today, because I have a couple of thousand on file. It's the sheer lack of time that prevents me putting them all in the database. Your help will be much appreciated.